Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. Today's video is the beginning of our new section. Every week I'm going to be putting out a fitness tip. Today's fitness tip is to help loosen up your shoulders. It'll help you with your chi sao, help you with your bagua. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes and click like and subscribe and click the bell to always. Thank you for your support. Have a great day.
So this is the beginning of our fitness technique of the week. So what we're going to do is today, if you have frozen shoulders, you'll find this in the bagua section ensemble. They're teacup exercises. You don't need to be as tight and as regimented, but all I want to do is use this to open up my shoulders. So you can do it with one hand at a time. So I would shoot it from here, come back close under my arm, rotate and come around. Okay? Do that on both sides, but as you start to get looser, now you can start to use two arms at a time. This is really good to help loosen up people with frozen shoulders. Increase your shoulder mobility. Those of you who do Wing Chun for your bong sao, this will help you with any martial art. So I would suggest 36 repetitions each day. So if you can do one arm, it'd be 36 each side. If you're doing two, then it's 36 repetitions in total. So just another angle here. Shoot the arms back, rotate around, and open. This is a version of a bagua teacup exercise, but obviously since it's not the teacup exercise, you don't have to worry about what you would have a teacup in your hand and dropping it or spilling tea or water out of it. So again, just to loosen up the shoulders, shoot it back and come back to center.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all, so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.